Mark the center of the charging area on the top surface, or use an optional sticker placement to apply sticker. Insert the charging spot through the grommet hole, entering in from beneath the table. Gently press upwards from the bottom to ensure there is no open space between the charging spot and the table. Tighten the bottom screws. Do one full turn of one screw, and then do one full turn of the other. Repeat this step until both screws are tight and the charging spot is secure. Plug in the charging cable to the bottom of the charging spot. Use the cable management and zip ties to secure the charging cable to the table. Plug in the charging cable to a wall outlet or power source. Test the charging spot by placing a Qi-enabled phone on top and verifying that the charging session activates.